In this video, we're going to be looking at this probability question, and you'll see that this is a question that involves two scenarios. Okay, so it gives me an opportunity to draw my favourite thing ever, my little probability bags. They are, no, honest, they are. So we've got bag 1 and bag 2, and in each of these we're trying to find the probability of getting a red counter from them. The probability of getting a red counter from bag 1 is 0.3, and the probability of getting a red counter from bag 2 is 0.4. Now the way that I would suggest doing this would be to draw a tree diagram. With the tree diagram, this gives you an opportunity to fill in all the possibilities, because that's the key thing with this. We need to find all the possibilities, okay? So the question, the thing that we've been challenged to do is to find the probability that he takes at least one red counter based on those probabilities. So you can see I've got bag 1 and then bag 2, and the probabilities for each are going to be 0.3 for a red with bag 1, which leaves 0.7 because of course each set of branches on a tree diagram needs to add to 1. Bag 2, the probability of getting a red is 0.4, which means the probability of not getting a 4 is 0.6. Okay, so as you can see, we're looking for at least one red. So the options we've got are that we get 2 reds, so the probability of red followed by the probability of red, and so that's going to be 0.3 times 0.4 is 0.12. Then we've got the probability of not a red but then a red, which is 0.7 times 0.4, which is 0.28. And then the other option we've got is red, then not red. And the probability of this is going to be 0.3 times 0.6, which gives an answer of 0.18. Now, in order to work out the probability of getting at least one, we need to add all 3 of these together. When we add all 3 of these together, we get a final total of 0.58.